Now dear students, now we are going to discuss about combinations. Combination means each of the selection, okay, that is made by taking some things or all the things, okay, irrespective of their arrangement, is known as a combination. Okay, each of the selections, so it is a selection, irrespective of the arrangement you choose selection. So each of the selections that can be made by using some things or all things from a given set of n dissimilar things, irrespective of their arrangement, is known as combination. So combination is selection of things. So here order plays, okay, no significant, okay, role. So here order has got no significant role, order of things, but permutations mean arrangement. Here order has got importance, so you place the things in order here. Now notation. For number of combinations, we use the notation Ncr. N stands for number of things available in the given set. R stands for how many things you are selecting. Okay. C stands for combination. So number of combinations that you get by selecting R things from a given set of n things. So for that number of combinations, okay, notation is this. Now theorem is Ncr is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is a theorem. Need not to prove this, just a statement. Now deduction. So how Ncr can be deducted is Ncr is equal n factorial by n minus r factorial into 1 by r factorial. Are you following? So this is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial is npr by r factorial. So Ncr is npr by r factorial. Did you understand? Okay. Or if you cross multiply, okay, Ncr into r factorial is equal to npr. So like this also you can use. Okay. Now important properties of Ncr. Number 1, Ncr is always equal to Ncn minus r. Please do remember, these all are most important properties. Ncr is always equal to Ncn minus r. Ncr is equal n by r into n minus 1 Cr minus 1. We have to use this, and we will use this in solving problems relating to combination exercise. Next, Ncr is equal Ncs implies either r is equal to s or n is equal r plus s. Ncr is equal Ncs implies either r is equal to s or n is equal to r plus s. Next, NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to N plus 1 CR. Next, NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. So like this, some properties are there relating to NCR that I have written. Okay, these are most useful properties. Understood? Dear students, now we are doing some problems from exercise. Okay, if NPR is equal to 720, NCR is equal to 120, find R. Okay, this is a question. Are you following? So now solution. Just now we have discussed that NCR is equal NPR by R factorial, right? That's what NCR. So which is NCR is equal NPR is 720 by R factorial, and what is NCR has been given. Okay, it is 120. So 120 is equal to 720 by R factorial implies, okay, so R factorial is equal 72 by 12, which is equal R factorial is equal 6. 12 6 is 72. 6 is 3 factorial. R factorial is 3 factorial. So R value is 3. Understood? I use the deduction. NCR is equal NPR by R factorial. Dear students, our next question is 2NC3 is to NC3 is equal to 11:1. Then find N. So this is our question. Now I am going to solve this problem. You see 2NC3 is to NC3 is equal to 11:1. It is given, right? Now let us go ahead. So now 2NC3 by NC3 equal to 11 by 1. 2NC3 means 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2. So 1, 2, 3. 3 factors you have to reduce by 3 factorial. Again, NC3 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 3 factorial is equal to 11 by 1. Now this 3 factorial get cancelled, right? So this implies this n and n get cancelled. And here if you take 2 common, that n minus 1 get cancelled. Then 2 common, 2 2s are 4. 4 into 2n minus 1. So this 2, after taking 2 common, n minus 1 get cancelled. So now what is left over? 4 into 2n minus 1 by n minus 2. This is what we are left with. Is equal to 11. So if you cross multiply, 8n minus 4 is equal 11n minus 22. So 22 minus 4 is equal 11n minus 8n. 22 minus 4 18. 11n minus 8n 3n. So n is equal to 6. So for this question answer is 6. The students, our next problem is find the number of ways of choosing 4 chords from a pack of chords. In how many of them? 4 chords of the same suit, a chord from each suit. 4 cards are face cards, 2 are red cards, 2 are black cards. So, solution. First, find the number of ways of choosing 4 cards. So, for the main question, the answer is, okay, 52C4. Number of ways of choosing 4 cards. I am not writing everything. So, first question answer is 52C4. In that, 4 cards are of the same suit. Okay. Overall, there will be 4 suits: spade, club, hearts, diamond. From 4, you have to choose 1 suit. And the selected suit contains 13 cards. From them, you have to choose 4 cards. So, 4C1 into 13C4. Did you understand? This is the answer for this first question. So, 4 cards must be from the same suit is saying. So, there are overall 4 suits. From that, one you have to choose 1 suit. It can be done in 4C1 ways into that selected suit consists of 13 cards. From that, you have to choose 4 cards. So, this is the answer for the first question. Second, a card from each suit. From each suit, you have to get 1 card. So, 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. Because there are 4 suits. So, from each suit, you have to choose 1. So, this is the answer. Next, 4 cards are face cards. Total, okay, 12 face cards will be there. So, 12C4. From that, you have to choose 4. Next, 2 are red and 2 are black. Total 26 red will be there. So, 26C2 into 26C2. 26 red will be there. 26 black cards will be there. So, the answer to the fourth question is 26C2 into 26C2. How many triangles can be formed by joining the vertices of a hexagon? Hexagon will have 6 vertices. Okay, number of vertices of a hexagon is equal to 6. Okay, to form a triangle, how many vertices are required? 3 vertices. Okay, 3 vertices are to be joined. So, the number of such triangles are 6C3. So, how many triangles can be formed by joining the vertices of a hexagon? 6C3. Next question is, how many diagonals are there in a polygon of n sides? In a polygon of n sides, how many diagonals are there? Okay. So, in a polygon of n sides, number of vertices are n. Okay. So, now number of lines by joining any 2 points. By joining any 2 points of these n vertices, okay, number of lines that you can form, NC2. But among these NC2 lines, number of sides are n, because it is a polygon of n sides. So, number of diagonals. So, okay, are you following? So, NC2 minus n. NC2 means n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 minus n. So, this is equal to, take LCM, n into n minus 1 minus 2n all divided by 2. So, if you take n common, n minus 1 minus 2, n minus 3 by 2. So, number of diagonals are n into n minus 3 by 2. Understood?